How to write business plan. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can write a business plan. Writing a business plan is a crucial step in starting or growing a business. It serves as an easy way for your business and helps you communicate your vision to potential stakeholders, such as investors or partners. We will explore each step with clarity and purpose. Whether you're entering a highly competitive market or carving a niche for your innovative idea, writing a business plan is a critical step in launching and managing a successful business. This guide is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to articulate your vision effectively. Yes, let's see how we can write business plan. 1. Executive summary. The executive summary is a crucial section of a business plan as it serves as an overview of the entire document. When it comes to executing a summary of business, you must describe your business briefly about its mission and your goals. What does your business do? What do you sell, and why is it different? Provide a snapshot of your business, highlighting key points such as the product or service, target market, and financial projections. Clearly state the name of your business, its location, and a brief description of what your business does. 2. Business description. Go into more detail about your business, its history, and its current status. Explain the problem your business solves and how it meets the needs of your target market. It should be written to attract the attention and fire the imaginations of potential investors, partners, and other stakeholders. Identify your specific industry. Possibilities might include wholesale or retail, project development, manufacturing, service, finance, or hospitality to provide context. Be as specific as you can. Here you must understand that your brand identity is, in itself, a way of communicating what you value most about your business idea. It sets the tone for what others can expect from you. 3. Product or service. You should describe what you're selling or the service you're offering. Highlight the unique features or benefits of your product or service. Provide a detailed description of your product or service. Include its features, benefits, and any unique selling points. And also include information on suppliers, production facilities, or technology required. You must understand to whom this product is or service for. Who do we want to buy this offering? When will customers use this product or service? Where would customers use this product or service? Also, you can mention price of the products, quality of the products, and advantages of the products. 4. Organization and management. The organization in this section refers to how your business is structured and the people involved. Management refers to the responsibilities different managers have and what those individuals bring to the company. Outline your business structure and its key team members. The organization and management section of your business plan should summarize information about your business structure and team. It's especially important to include this section if you have a partnership or a multi-member LLC. However, if you're starting a home business or are writing a business plan for one that's already operating, and you're the only person involved, then you don't need to include this section. 5. Do market research. Market research allows you to meet your buyer where they are. As our world, both digital and analog, becomes louder and demands more and more of our attention, this proves invaluable. By understanding your buyer's problems, pain points, and desired solutions, you can craft your product or service to naturally appeal to them. Market research helps you to know what's trending in your industry and in the eyes of your buyer. Market research allows you to get information from a larger sample size of your target audience. 6. Budget. Budgeting is the most effective way to control your cash flow, allowing you to invest in new opportunities at the appropriate time. Manage your money effectively. If you're seeking funding, clearly state the amount you need and how you will use the funds. Provide financial projections and a detailed breakdown of your funding requirements. Once you've identified your business's fixed costs, you'll subtract those from your income and move to the next step. Here you must include rent, debt repayment, employee salaries, depreciation of assets, property taxes, insurance. 7. Review and revise. Review your business plan regularly and update it as your business evolves. Seek feedback from mentors, advisors, or potential investors and make necessary revisions. Continuously reviewing and revising your plan is to set milestones. Milestones are specific goals that you set for your business to achieve over a specific period. Can help you to track progress and identify any areas that may need additional attention. Feedback can come from a variety of sources, including customers, employees, and industry experts. Feedback can help you to identify potential challenges and areas that may need improvement. Yes, You came to know right how to write a business plan and why a business plan is important. It will help you steer your business as you start and grow. Think of a business plan as a GPS to get your business going. By creating a business plan, you can identify competitors and where they are not currently reaching customers. You can better predict how you will reach them. It can also help you choose your target audience. A good business plan guides you through each stage of starting and managing your business. You'll use your business plan like a GPS for how to structure, run, and grow your new business. Starting a business can be risky, but also rewarding. By creating a business plan ahead of time, you can determine the steps you need to take, as well as the intended goals of the business.